Hello guys and welcome to the random tutorial, and in this tutorial we are going to discuss that how we can add two matrices. Okay, so the main thing is we should figure out that what is actually need to be noticed before adding the matrices. So first of all, I want to tell you that what is matrix. If I ask you one question is what is matrix? How we define the matrix? So matrix is the term which is introduced in mathematics, and the main purpose of matrix is to collect the data, to represent the data in the form of rows and columns. So matrices, the main purpose of matrix is to collect the data. In computer science, if we want to uh, show the matrix in the program, we should use the array. So the same case is the matrix. Matrix in mathematics is a combination of rows and columns. Okay, so let me suppose this matrix is M1 and this matrix is M2. The name of two different matrices M1 and M2. Then we having the data here. Okay, this is 1, 2 and 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. So these are the element of M1 matrix. Okay, so if I want to tell you the the element of the second matrices, so the element I will uh, input is 1 2 3 again 4 5 6 7 8 and 9. Okay, so before we adding two matrices, we should know some detail about these two matrices. So the order I will tell you that what is order is. Order of any matrix is m into n. The same thing will be followed for all the matrices which is in the world, will be m into n. Okay, so the m into n means that rows and columns. So this matrix consists of three rows into three column. And how the three column is this: C1, C2 and C3. Again we having R1, R2 and R3. This is row and this is column. C1, C2, C3, R1, R2, R3. So same thing we followed for the second matrices also. R1, R2 and R3, C1, C2 and C3. So in this situation we have to add the matrices. So how we can add the matrices is, we just want to add the same element of matrix 1, row 1, column 1 element plus the row 2, column 2 element. Okay, if I introduce a new matrix, suppose we having addition of these both matrices M3. Okay, so this is matrix 3. So the how we add it, we just take the element of R1 C1 plus R1 C1 of second matrices plus R1 C1 of first matrices. Okay, so R1 C1 in the first matrix is 1. So 1 plus 1. Here we have 2. Okay, again we will for these new matrices we also have rows and columns. So the R1 C2 element of matrix 3 is plus of addition of matrix of 1 R1 C2 plus R1 C2 of second matrices. So 2 plus 2 is equals to 4. So we having 4 here. Again we will add R1 C3 plus R1 C3 of second matrices. So 3 plus 3 is equals to 6. Again 4 plus 4 8, 5 plus 5 10, 6 plus 6 12, 7 plus 7 14, 8 plus 8 16, and 9 plus 9 18. So we have this matrices, new matrices, which is addition of both matrices of 1 and 2 element. So this is the matrix, and which having the same order of 3 into 3. The same case will be applicable for subtraction also. Okay, so but in the case of multiplication we having different set of rules. To multiply the element is the which is present in the both matrices. So in the next video I will discuss that how to multiply two matrices. Okay, so take care then. Thank you for watching this video. I hope you have learned something new. So in this next video, I will share some great topics for you. Thank you guys. Bye bye.